Hey guys, it's Grace here, and sorry. So it's Grace here, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy scammer, and I can't really do it all by myself. So yeah, I gotta test them all. Basically, I just got my basically best friend. So you guys.
Hey, bye bye.
So his name is Xander, and my name is Grace. So we're best friends, basically. Um, so we're basically best friends. So yeah. Anyway, basically we're doing Life of a Squishy scammer. I'm gonna be the scammer. He's gonna be the person that gets the scam squishies. So yeah. Um, wait, we have we can't shoot him. Xander will keep you occupied.
Okay, so guys, if this happens to be the first video you have ever seen, please check out more videos by Grace Diwali. And we don't know how many likes we're shooting for yet, but I'm hoping it's gonna be a lot. And let's watch a little preview on sponge brushing. Make sure to get right on the top and into the cracks and holes. The sponge really likes it. Now you have to use this kind of brush. Or this. And then you have to brush. Brush it. You got to brush it.
Okay, I'm here.
See ya.
Okay guys, so let's get started with the video. I know. I know they can't see my face. Oh,
Remember to brush your sponge daily.
Okay. So hi guys, it's Squishy here, and today I'm back with another video. You know how it's going. So wait, let me put on my funky hat. You know me, Squishy. So anyway, I'm going to be doing another scam video. Because literally, it was a long time. Ever since I did the video, because and so because on my Instagram there's so many people. The people that had Instagram deleted my account because they had so many complaints of people saying I scammed them. So I don't know what they're talking about. So, but anyway, let's get started. What the lazy people want, because they can't go to the store and buy it themselves.
Very lazy people.
That's my brother, Calvin. So 1 second, Calvin's going to be introducing himself.
Alright, I'm Kevin, and I'm sorry, Calvin. I have trouble pronouncing my own names because I got different names everywhere. I got different names on Roblox. I do not have a YouTube channel that you guys can see, so try not to search that up, or you might get deleted from YouTube. So try not to search that up. So, well, what I basically do is, well, I do a lot of stuff, but not that much. I have professionalism in sponge brushing. You want to see? No. Okay. I'm reading the comments and it says no. Okay. Okay, she is,
Get
well,
out on my YouTube video comment. Then.
dang it.
Sorry. I had to go to the bathroom. So I got my nails done. So the first thing she ordered is on this list. Basically because I actually write everything down on the list. Because for my phone, because she calls me on my phone. Oh, and look, I got a new phone case. I'm not going
I
to
paid for half of it.
You paid all of it. By the way.
That's the point. Please help me.
You're lucky nothing. He's looking at my phone. So the first thing she ordered was here's what we're going to ship the box in. It's basically a suitcase that's stock. So first thing she ordered was a Cafe Diem strawberry. So we don't have that. So let me look at my squishy bin just in case. Oh yeah, this is wait, it's she wanted the chocolate dip Cafe Diem strawberry. So we're just going to give her this strawberry from Michael. That's a keychain. That's $20 right there. So just gonna get that. So yeah. Next thing she ordered was so Costa because of that. So then she ordered 2 strawberries. So then she ordered the iBloom strawberry. iBloom. So she ordered this iBloom scented strawberry, the keychain. I love it so much, so we're not going to give this to her. So we're just going to give her this. It's that big stinky one. It's kind of woolly, so I think, but
Still very fun.
yeah, I guess.
Sometimes. Be aware of the sometimes.
Next thing she ordered was a jumbo iBloom peach. So we'll just this iBloom peach. It's really fluorescent. I don't think it shows in the camera.
We're having a bit of trouble with the camera color, so just ignore that everything's a weird color. We're having a lot of trouble with that.
Get out!
Okay.
My YouTube videos.
This is the first one I've ever been in. Help me.
You don't even know what to do, so shut up. Where is my where did she put my micro squishy?
I put them in there. Please hold for a break of diamonds.
What?
Please stay tuned. Don't leave. I need the money.
Okay. So we got we're just going to call this defected fake peach that's stained. So we're just going to give it that, and it's not even shampoos. Just gonna give it that. So next thing she ordered was like the pop sheep. We don't have that, so we're just going to give it this fake pop sheep, which is really defected and stained. So and dented. So then that next thing she ordered was the Oreo mango. So we have that. I love it too much. It's scented, so we're not going to give it that.
Wait, everybody, I figured out how to change the light.
No, that's going to be too light. One second. No, because we turn on the lights. Just turn on the lights.
Never mind. That turned off that made the thing black out.
Yeah, this was 20 minutes later. So we're just going to give it this orange. No, you can switch it in different modes. We're just going to give it this thingy. Flamingo. So next thing showed was the real air cake. We're just going to give it this fake one. That's so defected. Next thing showed is Millie the whale. And Billy the whale. She's so greedy with all these squishies. Like, I have these both, but I love them. We're going to give her this whale, basically. It's fake.
Did you guys see the squishies? Let me show you to them again.
Wait, don't. So, wait, drop them over there. Get the shopping cart. So then she wait. So then she ordered the Billy. Where's Billy? Where's the other one? There's another one here. So she ordered this one. But this one. She didn't order this one. That's Billy. Whale. How Billy's a whale. Wait, all these squishies in there. Okay, so next thing she ordered was the burger. You can climb on the bed, you know. Burger. Wait, in the peanut butter. I'm reading it from here. Yeah. Oh, never mind. You ruined my page. Oh. So she ordered this burger. We're just going to put this big burger from my dentist. Then she ordered this, the like peanut butter and jelly from the peanut butter and jelly sandwich from Silly Squishies. We're just going to put this. So wait, okay, one sec. How is my brother's here? Oh my god! I hate you.
Wrong way.
Guys. Okay, 1 second. Guys, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Alright guys, so I am waiting for 250 likes. Please give this at least over 250 likes, guys. I would really appreciate that. So please don't go right now. Oh my god, I almost got scrammed. Pennywise found us. So one of my secret talents, actually, I'm an Earth Force specialist. I'm an elite. My favorite game is Halo. So guys, make sure. What? So I want to know, what is your favorite game? Leave it in the comment below. I don't know what happened. Lights just turned on by themselves. So I don't know how long I have. So, 1 sec. Let me introduce you to Mr. Diamond.
Hey guys, so yeah, I had to go to the bathroom. Anyway, I look at the fridge, shake my brother, did anything. So get to extensions. Oh yeah, that's just my mom. That's all.
What's your favorite? Alright guys, so okay guys, so I don't really know what more to talk about me. Well, how about this? If I don't know if I already told you this, but if this happens to be the first video that you've seen by wait, oh yeah, I did tell you. Okay, so still check out more videos. Join the group. Join the EB family group, and make sure you leave a comment.
Hi, honey. How are you doing today?
Please help me.
And let me just get this heavy lamp out of your way. Oh, hi,
I
family.
freaking hate her. Oh my god. Someone please help me.
Oh, you're so cute. My son's going up so fast.
Please give me a knife. Where'd she go? She just vanishes. Oh my god! You can do that in a midair. Oh my god. Okay, she does it all the time. Well, if my sister... What? When sister sees you, Mom, you're gonna be in big trouble.
Mm-hmm. I blocked you, so shut up.
Oh my god.
I'll deal with her.
Please hold for an important bread break. Please hold for an important bread break. Stay tuned, or I will find you. Bread break. Bread break, bread break. It's a little bread break. Bread break, bread break. Bread is so delicious. Bread break, bread break. It's so fun to see. Please die already, Mom.
I'm grounded.
You can't do that to me, not when I got bread. You'll never fight me off with bread. And a tennis ball. and a few diamonds. Oh, did it just suddenly get lighter in here? You can see my identity. Ah!
Hey guys, it's
Hi guys, my break. Oh my God. Diamond break. Instead.
you are grounded, Mister. Oh my gosh, get out on my film for the millionth time.
Oh my God, I'm trying to help you. Coin break. Stop with the breaks.
Wait, hold that down more to get the light.
I get to operate the searchlight. I found
So-
you, my pretty.
So, yeah, the next thing she ordered on my list was, this soccer ball. So we're not going to give her that. What we're going to give her is, let me look at this again. This soccer ball, that's really hard. Next thing she ordered was this, like, jumbo brain. We don't have that, so we're just going to give it that stress ball brain. She ordered this plush bun. Get it? Okay. She ordered this plush bun right here. It's really so rising with, not really, but not defective with a ball chain. We're keeping that. What we're going to give her is this spread without ball chain broke off and really defective. See the defects. So.
Oh my God! Dang it. Never do it right.
So next thing she ordered was the jumbo air abs. I don't have that, so I'm just going to put this. Abs, like, it's blood, but it looks like abs, basically. I guess. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm not gonna want to show you go. So next thing she ordered was this bread. So rising. We're not going to give her that. What we're going to give her is this bread. So guys, I need to go to the bathroom, so I hope you guys can be patient and wait here.
Hey guys. Alright guys, so well, there isn't very much to tell you, but there's this thing to tell you. Guys, so the well, it's I'm in the comments and it says,
I go to the bathroom for 5 seconds.
how does she do that? And you were gone for an hour.
Get out.
Leave a comment below if she was gone
Ah!
for more than 5 minutes.
Get the light. Just stay with the light. Yes. Okay, so next thing she ordered was like this jumbo panda bun. So I'll just give her this. She ordered this panda bun. We're not going to give her that. make sure all the squishies go in the car, okay? So she ordered this. Wait, what did I do? Did I do anything? So was I going? So she ordered the panda bun, and then, so we're not going to give her panda bun. What we're going to just give her is, this. So it's almost as good. So yeah. And the next thing she ordered is that I am Tokyo Toast. So she's getting this new homemade. No, do it from the side. I turn on those lights too. Just this is I'm doing this here. Sit 1 second. Zero, come here. Come here. Distract. Oh, to do that. You never saw me doing this.
I'm about to show you how bad the sun looks. Yeah. I'm about to show you a scary story of how the sun looks. Watch how I'm doing. Of how the sun looks. Up close. I'm showing them what the sun looks like up close. I'm gonna blind them. I'm literally freaking gonna blind them. Why can't you just get blind already? And die. Ow. I need to adjust this. Ooh, that's very bright. Very, very bright. I just lost my eye. Time for him to die trying to survive. This is the sun. You can see it, right? Let me show you it moving. That's the sun. That's the sun, guys. I'm actually showing them the sun. That's the sun. Or maybe that's the moon. That's the sun and that's the moon. You'll never find out which one's which. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just stare into the sun. And try not to die. Please don't parasectoid me. I'm just gonna keep blinding them. Now this is my own video. Chopping off your own finger. With a comb. I'm chopping off my finger. Ooh, it's gone now. Do you see how creepy it is? When your finger's gone. Time to chop off the middle one. Extra power. Oh, yum. Luke, I chopped it off. Time for the other one. Chop, chop, chop. I'm gonna chop them all off. Why don't I? The only one I got left is my thumb. You wanna smell my fingers? I chopped off all of my fingers. Whoa! Xander!
You gotta hook it from here, maybe. So, guys, I'm so sorry about Xander. I meant Calvin. Oh gosh, he's so annoying. So, anyway, next thing she ordered, what he or she ordered was the pink roll. I only have the purple one, so I'm just going to get her. She ordered these fries. I really like these fries, so we're going to keep this and give her this popcorn. Everyone likes popcorn, so.
Everybody.
Xander!
Fun fact.
I mean, Calvin!
Fun fact.
Tell me when you say Calvin. I'm supposed to say Calvin.
Oh, by the way, guys, I just set up another screen that shows all of your comments, so we can see them right now.
Okay, the next thing she ordered was the kitty. So so she ordered this fake Hello Kitty waffle, the ball chain license. So we're not going to give this. I love this too much. So we're just going to give her. What's that waffle? Oh, this waffle. That's unclear. That's not even surprising. So next thing she or he ordered was this monkey face pad. So I'm just going to give it this monkey strip. They ordered the I Make Tokyo cake slice. We're just going to give it this slice with ball chain. So next thing she ordered was this one, but it was blue, so we're just going to go with the pink one. For some reason, I don't really like the pink because I don't have the blues, but just going to get pink. Next thing she or he ordered was this. She ordered the Shaka Bell, and we're just gonna give her. I don't really have it, so it's going for this nose. It looks like it, basically. So then she ordered this donut, which is so surprising, so we're not going to give this to her at all. We're just going to give her this plain donut. And she ordered the turtle. Let's go to this Swiss turtle. Gummy bear mermaid. This better mermaid. Introduced milk. She ordered the real one. I'm just going to let the fact reproduced. And extra she ordered. Extra she wants. Extras. Oh, and she also ordered. I'm just going to give her this. Oh, because she did this, so it looks kind of like it, so we're not going to do that. For extras, here's, let me see. She ordered also plush buns, so we're just going to give her these plush buns. We're just going to give her that plush bun. We're going to give her this hot for stress balls. This donut. Have these off. And toast. Oh, this light. Then, let me see. Ew, and even more ew. This full baby diaper. That's seriously full for my baby brother.
Not me though, you guys. Bye bye.
Yes, that's him.
No, not me.
Yes, you did. You're still potty trained now. Shut up.
No. Oh, you and Kyle. No, Kyle's the one that...
You're Kyle.
No. I'm kidding. I've got multiple identities. I prefer to be called Kyle, but the younger brother is Kyle. I'm right under her and her younger biological sister is actually only 3 years old.
And then this one, she actually was the jumbo one, but who cares? I'm just going to get that tape. And enough of it.
Please ignore the miracle. Later, just kill you.
So, yep. And just get a little note thing. Ship it out. If you want in 2 weeks. I don't feel like it today or in 2 months. I'll just give her it in 2 months. Or whatever. Ugh. I'm going to bed.
Her orders were also due last week. But that's the life of a scammer.
Also, before we get finish our video, the likes we need is to
I'm thinking like 300. You think
100 because I even got
at least 100.
50.
Please, guys, please.
Just do 50.
Please do shoot for at least. We're shooting for 100 likes. Please.
50 to 100.
152. Please.
100 to 50 to 100.
Oh my God.
Anything between those.
Okay,
I'm fine
we're
with.
looking for at least in between 52 and 100 likes. Please give us at least over 100 because that's what we're shooting for. But that's what I'm shooting for. As I said when I was introducing myself, I'm aiming for 250.
Oh, Grace, come on. You guys have to start cleaning
I'm
up.
shooting a video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Please do ignore that. We are going to see if we can cut that out.
Yes.
Mainly me, because I gotta hack it through Minecraft. My God, I can only hack it through Minecraft. That sucks.
You are literally saying that you hack. Stop.
Why not? Why not, guys? So leave a comment below if this is what I made, but Grace helped me with it. Leave a comment in the section below if you think that this is cool, how it's moving around. Please leave a comment if you think that's very cool.
Okay, let's get started.
See you guys. Peace.
No, it's your turn. See you guys. Peace.
Peace.
No, that's your turn. It's your turn. You will need a person opening
Ooh, a package. Looks like my squishies are finally here. It's a scam. I don't think it's a scam. Probably didn't have the right ones. So they sent me ones like this. I ordered a plush. These are some of them are probably extras. I ordered a reproduced milk carton. I ordered the real milk carton, not a reproduced one. Although it still could be an extra. Let's look for the real one. Look at these stains. They're awful. Can you see the stuff? Well, you guys. Oh, fudged. I just realized I got fudge. Fudge.
You know that's the reproduced milk carton.
I realized that.
Yeah, I'm his big sister. I'm going to help us with the package.
I have no clue.
Wait, let me see. You ordered the blue one. That's pink or red. And it's defected. I'm going to put yeah, there's no more. Not even the
No.
It's not even the milk carton, it's not even in there.
Oh my
So
god.
I'm going
How
to
is this even defect? This is just
oh my god.
it looks like a pile of doo-doo. Look at it.
That
Look at
I
it.
found the bottom to the cupcake.
From your
That
guys'
you ordered for $20.
Yeah, I ordered this connected so it would look like this. But now, from your camera view, it looks like a pile of dog poop.
Wait, there's
Look
supposed to
at
be
it.
a
It's
heart.
actually huge.
There's supposed to be a heart with it. I
What?
think I found the heart somewhere. It's the heart's probably somewhere. Oh, I found it.
This isn't
The heart to it.
wow. This is ridiculous. Oh, you guys aren't seeing it.
And then you ordered the item.
It's not in there. Oh,
I found a piece.
not the.
This is not even eye bloom, guys.
This is not even. This is not.
Oh my
even-
gosh, that's defective. This was $100.
Oh my god.
That was $100. This is $100. This isn't even 15 cents.
This isn't even a whale. It's a
Wait.
narwhal.
It's a whale, but like, the horn's off.
Defected.
It's the reproduced one. You
And defective. And
You gotta
stained.
be kidding me.
Gotta be freaking-
Oh, this is kind of fluorescent, but still.
Oh,
Is this my Eric abs?
it's bread.
It's bread, but it looks like abs. So. And this was supposed to be jumbo.
If you guys do not mind, I'm going to go make a phone call to who sent
No,
these
I'm
to
going.
us. Okay, she's gonna go make a phone call.
You are. Lee.
I'll go do it.
Maybe there's something wrong with it. Maybe she accidentally did something. Maybe she was supposed to send. Maybe we got the wrong package. You know, give her a chance.
Yeah, because this
yeah,
doesn't
so-
look like a. Oh, I guess this is close enough to a cat.
But
Yeah.
we need
I'm gonna
a
go-
cat burger.
I'm gonna go make a phone call and swear at them.
Don't swear.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna go mumble.
I'm going to. Don't do anything. 1 second. Hold you still on. I'm going to call him. Okay.
I'm gonna go call him.
No, I am. I'll get that. I'm going.
Okay, guys. So actually, So the fun fact is that I'm actually supposed to be a part of this video. Leave a comment below if you think. One sec. That this is cool. It darkens as you shake it. See ya, she's back. Wait, you come on.
Got like 15, 6:30. I gotta take it home. So hurry up, 'cause you gotta clean up too.
Okay, go call him. Speak loud.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, hello. Were you like to buy a squishy package?
I think we got the wrong one.
The wrong one. What did you, what's your name?
It's Xander and
Oh, Xander. Let me see on my phone. One sec, I'll put you on hold. Okay. So I looked everywhere and I sent you the right package.
what?
Yeah,
You
that.
think I got scammed.
No, I got you the right package.
What?
Yeah, that was the right package.
I must have gotten
Bye.
scammed. Wait,
Call me back if you want.
I just noticed she was wearing the
Come back. Wait, did you talk to her?
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said they sent us the right package.
I'm going to
Scammed
call
us. She scammed us. Good luck.
her. Excuse me? No, this wasn't the right package. You did she just hang up on me?
Yeah, she did that to me.
I'm going to call her again.
I gotta go work.
Hello, yeah, I would like to buy a squishy package. There's something wrong with my squishies. Like, your squishies are really good, but like there was something wrong with them, and one sounded really weird, I guess. So it sounded basically when I squished it, it sounded like this. You don't know what's going on with them? Yeah, it was really bad. Can I get a refund for that? No. Okay. I'm fine. Thank you. And by the way, I'm the person that you scammed before. So, by the way, your squishy package are horrible, and I'm gonna be talking to about all my friends about you, and literally to the internet. And I have a YouTube channel. So, delete.
So, did you find
Yep.
out if she scammed us?
Yes, she did.
I just found out she didn't.
What?
She did! She did scam us. I hacked into the computer, my friend.
It's
quite easy.
Defected.
It's quite easy to fix.
Defected. What?
That's not even.
Used. Oh my god. That's used.
I'm gonna go work in my office. Call me when you're done.
That is. I'm done. This is used poop.
Oh my god. I'm out. That's probably when you squished it.
Oh my. Yeah, you squished that. Dude, stop touching my phone. You have brown on you, by the way. In your face and hands. She gave us this.
Oh my god. What even is that?
I think a panda.
Yeah, it looks like a panda, but I'm not.
This is a cute shopping squishy. Ooh, this is cute. This is like a cafe and strawberry, but
Yeah, it's not what we ordered, but it's still good.
yeah, I kind of like these.
Some of them are actually good.
Okay, guys, start cleaning up.
Okay. I'm gonna stop cleaning. So yeah. So guys, yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you liked it or not. And leave a comment if you want Xander back in the videos in the future. Dab on those haters. Make sure you like, subscribe again, and leave a comment down below. What was our goal of likes?
Well, it was 100,
50 to 100 for me and Xander.
me 250. Try to shoot for both of them.
100 to 250.
Yeah, 250. That's all I want. 250 likes.
Okay, you gotta literally stop putting this. Okay. So bye guys. Peace.